Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the cooling fan or the coolant blower motor on BMW X1 E84. The cooling fan on this car is located behind the cooling radiator. It's located right there. To get access to the cooling fan, first we're going to remove this air intake pipe. Now that this air intake pipe is removed, we have access to the cooling fan. In order to remove the cooling fan, first we're going to remove this electrical connector. To remove it, there's two tabs on the two sides. We need to push them in and then pull out the connector. The cooling fan on this side is held by this plastic tab, which we need to pull out and then pull up the cooling fan. On the other side, the cooling fan is held again by the same tab. We're just first going to remove this air intake hose because it's in the way. This is the tab that we're going to remove. There is a bolt also that we need to remove, and the plastic tab is like on the other side. First we'll remove the bolt. Now we're going to remove the cooling fan. Again, to remove it, there is a plastic tab on that side that we need to pull out, and on this side as well. And we pull out the plastic tab and pull up the cooling fan. I think there is something holding it on the bottom, so we'll go underneath the car to see what exactly is holding it. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So now we're underneath the car. I've already removed this plastic cover that covers the engine underneath. And now we have access to the cooling fan. This is what is holding it. This is the oil cooler, and it's held by one bolt to the cooling fan. We're going to remove that bolt and remove the cooling fan, the oil cooler from the cooling fan. We can see the oil cooler is now free, so now we're going to go to the top of the car and try and pull out the cooling fan. There might be some hoses or wiring harness attached to this cooling fan that you need to remove from, but then you should be able to take it out. And that's the cooling fan out. Putting it back on is in the exactly reverse way. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.